Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my cousin. We're going to be making slime today. This is my first YouTube video, so please at least get this to 1,000 likes. And yeah, so we're going to get right into the video. Okay, so what you need today was a regular bowl, don't matter what kind of bowl. Just a regular simple bowl.
Oh, and I am also a guest on this. I want you guys to follow me, Sunshine Bonilla. She will leave it in the description.
Yeah, I'll leave it down below or up top. And so you need a bowl. You will need measuring cups. It doesn't matter how many.
You will need 1/4 cup, and then you will also need 1/3 of a cup.
Okay, you will need spoons.
You will need this detergent, or you can use like clothes detergent.
Oh yeah, and you can also use glue to make it, but it's optional. So we're gonna just make it with that, and we're gonna make it with flour.
All-purpose flour. You can also use cornstarch, and then we're going to be adding food coloring. Of course, this is optional.
Food coloring. If you want a nice pretty color, I would use food coloring. So
because then it will just come out like a white and a kind of detergent color. So let's get on with the video. Okay, first thing you need to do is take the dish detergent and put dish detergent or whatever detergent you're using and put it in the 1/4 cup. Just like fill it up all the way. Well, at least almost all the way, but not completely. And we just put it in the bowl. There will be some extra things on the side, so you want to scrape it off.
Yeah, make sure you get all of them. Is this the same?
Yeah, that's 1/3.
And then she did hers, and now I'm going to do mine. So like she just said, you'll just fill it up. And you'll just fill it up to the top. And you'll just pour it in. And make sure you have everything. Now you will put in your food coloring. And the food coloring is orange. We're using orange.
It's a neon orange. It's a different color from the dish detergent. It's more of a bright color.
And the dish detergent is like a bright orange. And you can add in a couple drops. I'll add in like probably 3.
If you want to like this stuff, I have to go for
I'll add in like 4 or 5. Just a whole bunch. It doesn't really matter. And yes, we're using orange.
It depends how bright you want it because we're using neon.
And you just mix this for a couple of minutes. Okay, now ours is very bright neon orange color. Smells very good.
Okay, so now you will want to fill your 1/4 cup, not 1/4, 1/3. 1/3. With flour or your cornstarch.
We're using flour today, so yeah. And like I said, optional for glue, but we're not using that, so yeah.
This all together, you have to put it in. Just drop it right in. If it's too slimy and too pasty, you will have to add more, but not too much at a time. Now you will have to do it very slowly in the center.
Okay, now I got my flour, and I'll just put it in there.
And you have to fold it over.
Yeah, don't like try to mix it, just like pound it down, fold it. But at a point you will have to mix it. And if you add too much of the baking, the sugar, I said it. I'm trying to say sugar, the flour, then you can add a little bit more dish detergent because it's gonna.
Or you can add just a little tiny drop of water.
Yeah.
Which is also very good.
So I'll add a little tiny drop of water, so I would just use this little white. Just a little tiny bit of water. Just pour it in. And just continue mixing. It's not going to come out as soon, so you have to like give it time and just keep mixing and mixing, and then it'll come out. Okay, so okay guys, this is mine. I'm not done yet, but this is what it should look like if you're using those ingredients. And you just keep on.
If it's too much of a paste, because ours is a little bit spacey, I want to add more flour. Don't get the whole cup filled in. The 1/4.
Yeah, give a half a cup, like less than half.
Half of the 1/4. You don't want it completely filled up. You want it half filled.
Ooh. I'm gonna just use this cup right here. I'm not gonna fill it all the way. I don't even want all that. Just a little teeny bit like this, and then just a little bit like that. I'll just put in a little tiny bit, and you'll just keep mixing. Maybe add a little tiny bit of water. Like very little tiny water, because you don't want it to be too watery.
It will just get really pasty and watery if you add too much of the...
Yeah. But you want it to be very kind of shrinky. So
you don't want it to be too Play-Doh-y.
Yeah. Like, you know how Play-Doh was kind of hard. So you're just going to continue mixing that. Okay. Just keep pasting it back and forth. This is what mine looks like. Yes. So now,
see, mine looks like a Play-Doh. Because once it's like a lot of flour, I heard this too tasty. It's like something good. But you wanted to get it like this, and then you want to add some like.
I need more flour.
Well, you will want to add more detergent or flour. I mean, not flour. No more flour if it's like this.
But I would need more flour because mine is too like
this. You see, it doesn't stretch a lot. It only stretches a little bit. You wanted to get it like really slimy, and you want it to be kind of wet, but not too wet, like frozen.
I'm about to put more flour so it can be like perfect. I remember these last time. Okay, so now I'll just probably take a spoon and scoop some more flour.
I have this flour right here.
Oh. It's just a spoon.
So don't put no more. Did you really just do that?
Ain't nothing in here.
Look right there.
On the side.
Yes, that's disgusting, Raina. Nobody wants.
So right now, I added a little bit more dish detergent. I'm just patting it down kind of in the bowl. And then I'm like flipping it over on each side to make sure each side gets an equal amount of ingredients. So right now, I'm turning it over and I'm just like patting it out.
So you have to stretch it out slowly?
Yeah, or just break.
So you go like this. So the more stretchy you want it, the more this detergent you want to add.
So right now I'm just doing the same thing.
Still TV. See, now you want to pick it up.
So right now we're just playing with it. Well, we're not really playing. We're trying to get it right. We're just. Mine's is a fail, so I don't even know why. That little bubble. Hers came out really good, but this is my first time making slime. So next time I'll be using glue to see how it works. So right now, hers is perfect. Mine's is.
That's good. You just need to wash your hands.
I'm going to wash my hands.
So we'll be right back.
Okay, so guys, our slime is done. I don't want to pick it up. I just finished washing my hands. So yeah.
See, I just picked it up. It's not sticking.
I'm scared to take mine up. It might stick. But yeah, that's our slime video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video at least to 1,000 likes. Subscribe. Thank you. Love you.
Subscribe to my channel. Bye.